Constructing a home is a very cumbersome and a hectic task. Customers these days do not have the time and energies to manage this process. While customers scout for a local contractors to construct their home, they face issues like price transparency, lack of technical know-how, and having to deal with multiple agencies. Price transparency is a very big issue. Different contractors quote differently for the same work to be done. Contractors do not also give proper specifications and scope of work that needs to be done for the project. Thereby, at the end of the project, you might end up in cost overruns or issues with the existing contractor. Local contractors lack the technical know-how of creating a maintenance-free building. This creates issues like water leakages, cracks, and other maintenance issues for the building. Customers have to deal with multiple agencies like architectural firms, government agencies for licensing, and building contractors to get their dream house done. Most of the building contractors just do a material plus labor turnkey contracts. Hapo is a one-stop solution for all your house construction needs. We have very transparent pricing model that is displayed on our website with the standard specifications and brands that we provide for a house construction project. Our customers can either choose the standard packages that we offer or go with the customized specifications based on their requirements and needs. All design, government licensing and construction is done under one single roof. Thereby, the customer need not go to any other agency to get their work done. We provide a 5-year service warranty on all the construction defects at prices comparable to local rates. Our clients also get project updates, meeting updates and other site related communication through our internal application. Apart from the daily site supervision that is already in place, a trained technical team is involved in the quality control of each site, thereby providing a better product to our customer. Our highly experienced founding team with a combined total experience of 32 years in the construction field brings the best practices into individual house construction market. Customers who get in touch with us and pay a booking fee get their initial 2D floor plan and a 3D elevation drawing. These drawings are refined to the customer's satisfaction and needs. We facilitate government approvals of these drawings. Once these drawings are approved, we provide a construction schedule to the customer and start with the groundbreaking work. Our stepwise payment schedule helps customers plan their cash flow better. Our internal application not only eases the communication with the customers but also help manage multiple teams in the organization like site supervisors, engineers, project managers, architects, procurement, contractors, thereby delivering an efficient product in a timely manner.